I made $11,572 in commissions with affiliate marketing just in 15 days from the first day of this month until the day 15, as you can see over here. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and in today's video I'm going to reveal my YouTube affiliate marketing strategy that you can copy to start earning thousands of dollars using free traffic. So I will show you guys step by step how to create videos that drive clicks and sales. Even if you are starting with zero experience or budget, this method works for anyone, and the best part, it's 100% free. So let's dive in. So affiliate marketing is all about promoting brands, products, or services using unique link they give you. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's super easy and simple. So to start, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. All you have to do is just need to use your email address to sign up, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Go to company, scroll down, click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Anyway, go back here and just click on join now to create your affiliate account. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to go to YouTube, because we will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links. So go and open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, you see why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has a lot of traffic, millions. You guys can see that YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. And you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you are following those steps that I'm sharing with you. Okay, 29 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. Okay, so open your YouTube homepage like this and click on the search. Use YouTube search bar and ask, for example, how to edit. Let's say how to edit gaming, and here you go. You just need to ask questions. Just put questions here, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. That's what people are searching for right now on YouTube. So those people are already searching for this topic. As you can see, how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, how to edit gaming videos, how to edit gaming videos on CapCut, how to edit gaming videos on Premiere Pro, okay, DaVinci Resolve, and so on. So those people who are searching for this topic, they will be interested to buy this service. Let me show you. Go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search and gaming search for gaming video editing. Okay, search for this service. Okay, and here you go. Scroll down. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, pro sellers. Those sellers are good sellers. Okay, just make sure they have a lot of reviews. For example, like this one, over 1000 reviews. You see this one? We have also this one. You see this one? over 1000 reviews, and this one is top rated seller. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this one. Let's choose this one. So just click on the service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see 30 orders in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers. I will do funny gaming video edit for YouTube. You see this? This seller can edit YouTube videos. So for those people who are searching for how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, okay? So you promote services related to what people are searching for on YouTube. So you know that this service is already working and already people are interested to buy this service from you, okay? So what you will do next, let's go back to this seller profile page. This is the proof. Look at this. 30 orders in queue. Look how many people paid for this service. Over 7,000 people paid for this one. Which people will buy this service? Which people? Just those people, like those people who are searching for how to edit gaming videos for YouTube. Those people who are buying those services from those sellers on Fiverr. Okay? So here is what you will do. Copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, okay? You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, and you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools like this, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So here is what you will do next. You will go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Search for this website. Click on the first link. I already have Canva, so I'm gonna click on this link. You need to sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free to use. So just click on the first link, sign up using your email address. And here you go. This will be your home page. As you can see, you just need to click here on video. Okay, click on video. And what you will do next, pay close attention, please. Okay, click here on YouTube video. You should see YouTube video. Click on YouTube video like this. And you will be directly in this page over here like this. You guys can see. So what you will do next is you need to go back to this seller profile page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video.
Wait, I got a whoopee cushion. You hear that? The rubber. Oh, dude, I walked on it. Oh man.
You guys can see he's showing the example editing that he is already made for his clients, okay, which is really good. So people who are searching for how to edit videos, how to edit gaming videos, they will see this editing style. They will see what they will expect, what they will get, okay, if they buy this service. So let's check. He's making a really good and funny editing for gaming videos, which is really good. So what you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video, okay? You need to save this video to your laptop like this. I'm gonna click on save and the video will be saved to your laptop. Go back to Canva, go to this Canva homepage, click here on upload, click on upload file, just click on upload file, okay, and go to downloads. Let me show you. Okay, let's go to downloads and I'm gonna upload my video to Canva, this video about editing. I will click on open, just click on open and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here in this, you guys can see like this. So, okay, click on this 3 point and just scroll down, click on set video as background, okay, and here you go. You see, click on text and scroll down and you will find a lot of text styles that you guys can use. and just make sure to use good one that looks good and clear. I'm gonna use just this one. Click on any text that you want to use. Your text will be over here. I'm gonna delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text like this and put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: my website check my website in description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. You see, we have good. Okay, what we have good title. Click on elements. Pay close attention, please. Okay, you click on elements. Scroll down, and let me show you. Just scroll down. Go. Okay, let me see. So where is the okay? Go to this one, ships, and use this one, and click on color, and just use black color. Choose black color. Put this ship behind your text like this to make this text looks clear and good. And here you go. You see this? Check my website in description. So let's check now. Let me see.
Wait, I got a whoopee cushion. You hear that? The rubber. Oh,
you guys can see the video now is done. Click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to YouTube and open a YouTube channel. It's for free, okay? And upload this video to your YouTube channel. Make sure to upload this video as Creative Commons so you not get any copyright issue with YouTube, and use this title for your video so you can rank your videos. So what you need to focus on is you need to focus on getting views from YouTube search. You need to do good SEO for your videos to rank your videos high in the search results of YouTube. So for those people who are searching for how to edit gaming videos, they should find your video in the first page of the search results for this topic, okay? And you will start getting traffic from YouTube search. Upload the video, use this title in your YouTube description, put the same keyword. If you are looking for how to edit gaming videos for your YouTube videos, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new accounts, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said in my last videos, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. And what you will do next is you will go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. This is exactly how you can make so much money with free traffic from affiliate marketing using YouTube, okay? So, and for people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, for people who are interested, please, only serious people. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will share with you everything. You will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting, how you can rank your videos high in search results, how you can do good SEO for your videos, how you can create your own content, and so much more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. And that's it. You guys can see it's all about creating content that you will use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. And you can get so much traffic from YouTube. You can, if your videos are getting good views, you can make so much money with this business model. This can change your life, okay? This is exactly what I'm sharing inside my course, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.